Hello, today I will talk about Simón Bolívar. Simón Bolívar was born in Caracas, Venezuela on July 24, 1783 and died in Santa Marta, Colombia on December 17, 1830. He was a soldier and politician of the great Colombia, one of the most prominent figures because they contribute to the current independence of countries like Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, Panama, Peru, and Venezuela, and was conferred the honorary title of Liberator by the City Council of Medellin. The problems to carry out his plans were very common. That I get was said of himself that was a man of the difficulties. He participated in the founding of the great nation, that intends to consolidate Colombia as a political and military confederation in America, of which he was president. Simón Bolívar is considered by his action and ideas of American men and lauding figures in the world history. Thank you.